Hi everybody, we are having a torrential downpour at the moment, but that's Scotland for you. So I've got another delivery here of BV parts. Now these don't come up that often, but it's a replacement seat, or one part of a replacement seat. On the SU carburettors there's the air filter, and if you remember they were in a very poor state, and these are reasonably rare as well. So I saw these, I snapped these up. Again, new old stock. Two of those, one and this one here. Obviously the boxes have seen better days, but they're the original ones, and that's what I'm after, original parts. Now this I bought on spec. If I don't need one now, which I'm pretty sure I will do, this is a water pump. New old stock. And although it doesn't have the gaskets, I can use sealants there. Things like water pumps go easily. Now here we have a side light. Oh, it's a parking light. The rain's eased off. Original box. Indicators. And there's a backing plate, keep the wiring or water from entering that. And two of those. These are manufactured in May 1986. Made in Sweden, and they would have used them for an old vehicle. Now what else do I have here? Now I didn't order these, but the guy that I bought this from was very kind, said, "Oh, I've added a few extras in there for you." That was very kind of him. So he has given me some edge protect, go round the door opening. What do we have in this bag? So he's giving me the top latch for when the opening of the door comes back, and it latches in that so it doesn't come crashing down while you're driving along. There we go, so it's got a rear. One is mounted on the door, one is mounted on the chassis itself, and when it closes, that goes in there. See if I can get that in. It probably needs a bit of grease on there too. It's all nice and new. There we go. What else has he sent with me? Let's have a look here. We have a little lever. Not sure where that goes. No doubt I'll find out. Hand throttle lever, very similar thing, so maybe that one's a, this is, it's about the same size. Yes, it's the same one. We have, it's a brake master cylinder repair kit. We have a number of gaskets for various bits and pieces, and one of those could be the water pump. And also we have here RAOC primary pack, a shim. I'm not sure where they go, but wherever they go, let's see if I can take those out of there. A component difficult to find. Little things like that can make the difference between fixing it easily or having to hunt around for something that size, that diameter and that thickness, and yet it's essential for its working. Two of those. In this packet we have a plate And finally, another latching mechanism. Well, that's brilliant. So parts for the BV, difficult to get hold of unless somebody's had some stock somewhere and they've hoarded it, but they're becoming a rare commodity these days. And that'll add to the authenticity of the vehicle itself.